what's up, YouTubers? It's the Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing some classic four tops. I can't help myself. Sugar Pie, Honey Bunch. Motown. Cool. So this song has 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 chords. That's it. So C major. 1, 2, 3. G major. 1, 2, 3. D minor. 1, 2, 3. G, back to G there. And then we're going to do a quick slide to A if we can. But we'll talk about that when we get to it. So the switching is 1, 2, and then the lick I'm going to show later, end of the lesson. 1, 2, 3, C. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. G, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. D, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. F, 2, 3, 4. G, 2, 3, 4, 1. I don't know if I showed the F. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. C, 2, 3, 4. G. 1, 2, 3, 4. D. 1, 2, 3, 4. F. G. C, 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 G. Okay, and the strumming we can do 2 different ways, or we can mix it up. It also has this bouncy feel to the chords, so we can mix it up. We can go C, a quick A after the G. It's really fast. If you want to grab that, it's not necessary. We can just slide the G up to the A. It's hard to get back to the C there. Anyway, so the intro is it's 3 on the A string, 3 on the E, 5 on the E, back to 3 on A. Also, the four tops. Thanks, guys, for tuning in. I'll see you tomorrow. Be safe.